This is Realme 12X 5G, and today I'll show how you can deal with overheating issues on this device. So let's begin this video by exploring the ways to prevent overheating, since it is way more effective to prevent a problem than to fix it after it has already occurred. So first advice that I have is that you do not expose your device to the direct sunlight for extended periods of time. So if you have to use your device outdoors, make sure that the direct sun rays interactions are brief. And if you have to leave it laying somewhere outside, just keep it in the shadow. Second advice that I have is that you do not overcharge your battery, since the battery in the majority of situations is the actual root of temperature problems and overheating consequentially. So try your best to use the manufacturer recommended charging equipment in terms of its charging speed and other electric specifications. So do not overcharge the battery. That's the second advice. And if the overheating already occurred and you would like to learn a few ways to help your device to cool itself down a little more efficiently, just follow me. Launch your device's settings, enter the battery category, and first go into the power saving mode and switch it on. Then we can also play with charging optimization, such as smart charging or charging limit. So select which one you prefer better. I guess the smart charging should be better, since it's like it is going to learn your usage patterns and implement those knowledge, those data to optimize your particular charging, once again based on your charging habits. So I guess the smart charging is a little better option in theory. I have no idea how well they work generally in practice. Anyway, we can also go into the more settings and see here what we can do. Not too much as far as I can see. You can enable like the optimize standby here to optimize your battery work even further, to reduce the battery drain. And well, once the battery is being drained, it heats up, and so does your phone. So I guess that would be a somewhat useful optimizations, even though its efficiency is pretty insignificant. But I mean, on the note of optimizing everything, I guess those options are worth enabling. And well, I guess as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below this video. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye bye.